welcome. Today guys, I want to share with you all a recipe for a creamy milky fruit cocktail. Now to make this, I already went ahead and drained the fruit cocktail out of the tin because it was sitting in water. I'm just going to set this aside. In this bowl I have some ricotta cheese. You can use cottage cheese, you can use sour cream, or you can just totally omit this. To this I'm going to go in with some whole milk. We just want to break up the ricotta. So you're going to whisk that to break it up, because you don't want big pieces of ricotta in the fruit salad. Okay, once it gets to this consistency, you're going to bring over back the fruit cocktail. I'm going to add the ricotta. Now if you guys can't find ricotta, you can use cream cheese. It just depends on what you like. I'm going to go with a few dashes of Angostura bitters. I'm using some mixed essence, and this is the Blanchie's brand. I really love this brand, and it's found at JTA supermarket. I'm going in with some freshly grated nutmeg. And to add some sweetness, I'm going in with some sweetened condensed milk. And I'm just adding a little bit. You can add as much or as little as you want. And I'm going to add some more whole milk, or you can use heavy cream to bring this together. So guys, once mixed in, this is now ready to be served. All you have to do this is keep it chilled in your refrigerator. This is so good for the summer's heat, and it's not too sweet. You can control the amount of sweetness this dish has just by putting how much condensed milk you would like, or if you wanted to omit it completely. Sometimes the fruit cocktail comes in a heavy syrup, so if it does, you can omit the condensed milk. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, or if you make this, let me know down below what you think, if you like it and how you make it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share and like this video, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!